Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some grilled chicken smothered sandwiches, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using today, guys. The chicken is already pre-seasoned, and now I'm going to be cutting up my veg for the recipe. I'll be using 2 mushrooms, just slicing them into smaller pieces, and then I will be using half of an onion. You can use a whole onion if you like, but I'm the only one eating the onion, so I'm just gonna use half or a smaller portion of it. Then I'm gonna get ready to cut up my sweet pepper. Guys, as you know, I shopped in my garden for the sweet pepper today, and I'm just gonna be cutting up at least half of the sweet pepper just in longer slices. Then I'll set that aside. Now the bread that I'm using for this recipe is a French baguette, and I'm basically just cutting them up it's like an elongated shape, and then I'm just gonna cut it in half and set it aside for when I'm ready to make my sandwich. So once I get that all done, I am going to put a little bit of olive oil on the skillet, and then I will be grilling my chicken breast. I am using 1 chicken breast for this recipe today, guys. I already pre-seasoned it with some all-purpose and also some peppercorns. You can season it however you like, but that's what I use for my recipe today. Now I am going to be adding them onto my skillet, and then I will be also adding on my vegetables to be sauteed. So this will cook for about, I would say, less than 10 minutes, guys. You got to turn the chicken on the other side as well, just to make sure that it cooks thoroughly throughout, and then you can determine once it's finished when to take it off the grill, guys. Like, if you do not have a skillet, you can also saute your chicken, or you can bake it in the oven, however you prefer to prepare your chicken breast. And but I use a skillet because I do have one, and it makes it so much easier because I could cook everything all at once, because I'll be sauteing my veg as well as grilling the chicken all together, guys. So basically this dish is very easy to make. Like, it doesn't take long at all. I would say roughly 15 minutes to get everything done. While I'm grilling the chicken and the veg, I have already put my fries in the active fryer. I can also do a review of this active fryer as well, guys, just in case anyone was considering purchasing one. Like, I really find that it does the job really good, and my fries come out nice and crispy when I do use the active fryer. So I will be doing a review video of my active fryer just in case you're interested. Now I'm just going to be adding on some peppercorns to the vegetables and the chicken while it's sauteing, and then I'm just basically going to add some more water onto that, just so that it can have a little steaming time too, because I don't want my chicken to dry out too much, and then also for the vegetables to have a nice little soft texture to it while it's sauteing. Now once that is done, guys, I'm gonna get ready to make my sandwich. So first I'm going to be adding in my chicken breast, then I will be adding in my vegetables. So I'm going to be adding in the mushrooms, the onions, and the green peppers. And once all of that is added in, guys, I am going to be adding on my cheese. So I am using the jalapeno Monterey Jack cheese, as well as some mozzarella cheese. The Monterey Jack cheese adds a nice flavor to it. It has a little spicy flavor, and then the mozzarella adds a nice stretch to your sandwich, and it does taste good too on it as well. That's optional for you to put the mozzarella in, but the Monterey Jack cheese really adds a nice flavor. Now it's time to put the sandwich in the oven, guys. So I will be putting that in the oven for about 5 minutes after preheating it. Preheating your oven for about 300 degrees, guys. So once that is all heated up, you put your sandwich in, make sure it melts before taking it out. So it should take roughly 5 minutes or less. And then once that's all done, it is time to plate your dish. So fries is already out, ketchup is on fries, and now it is time to serve. And here's the end result, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.